Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we've been talking about subtraction, and now today we're also going to talk about addition. And after this activity, after this video, there's a link below this one to do a quiz for addition, which is one more than a certain number. So we're going to look at that and talk about that here. We're going to look at one more and one less than these four numbers, okay? And I have drawn up here a number line that's going to help us, okay? Now, I have this number line, but we can also use, when we're trying to figure out one more or one less, we can use our fingers. So, and I'll show you what that means here in a second. So the first number we're going to look at one more and one less is number 6, okay? So, I have my number 6 here, and then I look at the number line. Where's number 6? Right there, very good. Now, what is one more than 6? One more is 7. So I'm going to write 7. You don't have to write anything. We're just going to look at these together, and you're going to do the activity on the next link. But 1 more than 6 is 7. What's 1 less than 6? 5. Very good. So it's 5, 6, 7. Now, boys and girls, go ahead and show me 6 with your fingers. Hold 6 fingers up. Very good. All right. Now, add one more. There you go. Very good. You have 7 fingers up now. Now go back to 6. Okay, good. Now, show me with your fingers 5. There you go. Good. You're just putting one hand down. You have 5 fingers up on your other hand. Very good. So you can use a number line on this, and you can also use your fingers from 1 to 10 to see what's one more and one less. The next one is 8. So what is one more than 8? Now, can you use your fingers first? Let's do that before we use the number line. Show me 8 fingers. Very good. All right, now show me 9. Add just one more. There it is. Good. So that is 9. 1 more than 8 is 9. All right. Now go back to 8 with your fingers. And what's 1 less? Take 1 away. Let's subtract 1 finger. Good. There is 7. Very good. And that is the same as my number line. We have 8 here. 1 more than 8 is 7. And then 1 less than 8. I'm sorry, I said 7. It's 9. Thank you, boys and girls, for correcting me. Is 9. And then 1 less than 8 is what? That is 7. Very good. All right, boys and girls. So now let's look at the next number. There's 4. Okay. Let's start with the number line first. Where's 4? Got it. Good. Okay, what's 1 more than 4? 5. Very good. I'm going to write that here. And you can be following along with your fingers too. And what's 1 less than 4? 3. Very good. All right. And this last one, let's look at it. It's 3. We're starting with 3. What's 1 more? That's right. That's 4. Very good. And what is 1 less than 3? 2. There it is. All right. Very good, boys and girls. So now, on our activity, and on the link below this one for the video, it'll pull up this math quiz game, okay? And then we're just looking at one more than a certain number. So, first one is 8 plus 1, so that's 1 more than 8. So, again, what's 1 more than 8? What comes after 8 is 9. I'm going to put that one up here. Very good. Okay, and then what is 1 more than, so 6 plus 1, what is 1 more than 6? Is it 6? No, that's not it. Is it 3? No. That's right, it's 7. Now, boys and girls, what happens if you put the wrong number? I'm going to try to put 6. We know that's not it, but it's just not going to take it. So it needs to take the right number. Very good. Okay, and then what is 2 plus 1, or 1 more than 2? That's right, it's 3. So go ahead and click on that link. Click on your name. Below it, all the names of all the students are there. Okay, and it kind of shows which quiz you've done. And enjoy that. And thank you for working with me today in math.